All right, back here on Miss Amy, Tom's 67 Grand Prix. Getting ready to pull the radiator out. We did a little pressure test a couple weeks ago. She's got a couple little leakies. I'm going to pull her out, run up to Gary's, have him patch her up real quick, make it nice, because the radiator is actually in really good shape and it's clean, so it doesn't need a recore. Well, it shouldn't need a recore. Anyway, so I'm getting it out. If you guys remember, we did make the shroud out of one for, I think an Impala or some other, or a Bonneville. I had to adapt it and trim it so it fit with the top. So this baby actually stays sort of cool because it's hot as shit here. Anyway, upper hose is already off. About to crack the petcock. I'm gonna put my drain pan under there, get all the coolant out. Then I just gotta do the transcooler lines and the lower hose, and we're out of here. All right, there's Miss Amy's radiator. She's out. There's Tim's radiator from the 69 Cougar. And there's Patrick's from his 66 T-Bird. They're all going to Gary's. And I gotta stop and get the battery, because that's Amy's battery. Yeah, so it didn't charge. Anyway, so I will pick one of those up as well.